Namaskar, welcome to Vani Shankar's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make honey garlic. This is very healthy and health benefits are there. There is no cooking today. I am going to show you how to make at home. So anybody can make at home, okay? I have taken honey. Okay, I have taken half a bottle of honey. I have taken Patanjali honey. Okay, this is 250 grams. Then I have taken the garlic. I have already made and kept. I will tell you about how to make this. See, garlic means it will be like this, and if you open the thing, it will be with the skin. You have to put it in the sun, and it should be dry very nicely in a hot sun, nearly 5-6 days, say at least a week. Okay, then only you must soak it in the honey. If you want very fast means you can just make it crush and then open. Otherwise you can open like this. You have to remove the skin. Okay, you have to remove the skin nicely. It should not be any skin in that. Open nicely like this. How much you want you can put. There is no limit for and measurement is not there. Okay, so like this you must open. If you want very fast means you can cut it and put, or you can crush it and put. Okay, so the honey should be above the garlic. Now it is soaked and the honey has come on top. So when you use, you must close this thing, and you can just shake this and you can eat. Okay, so now for the show I have made only little. Otherwise normally I'll make one full bottle only. So I have prepared from 10-15 days before this one, because the garlic should soak very nicely. Only then it is very useful, and it will be very crunchy, very tasty. The garlic, if you eat the garlic just like that now, it will be little spicy. You will feel a little spiciness. So after it is soaking in the honey, see the color will be like this. See, after soaking it will be like this. So tasty, so yummy, and it is very good for health. Okay, you must keep shaking every once in 3 days or 4 days. So automatically it will soak very nicely. If I have put full only, so that's why I kept for 10 to 15 days. If you want early, you can just crush it, or you can cut it like this and put. So it will be within 8 or 10 days your garlic honey will be ready. Okay, so what all the benefit means, of course the garlic honey benefits is it is a low calorie, and for the heart disease it is very good. For the bronchitis, of course for high fever, fungal infection, mainly for cancer patient also this is very good. Only garlic. Okay, and honey, of course it is very tasty, delicious. In honey I am talking iron, phosphorus, zinc, calcium, potassium, vitamin D. The main thing is weight loss. And of course you can have every day this garlic and honey. Then it is very energetic. You might ask me how much garlic and how much honey. Honey and clove you can add whatever quantity you want and how much you want, but the honey should be above the garlic. When it will be ready, in case if you ask, if you crush and put, it will be ready for 15 to 20 days. Okay, if you put, it is full. What I put now, of course I showed you a little only. So if you make a big bottle means it will take nearly 20 to 25 days or a month. Okay, you might ask me, when can I take this? So you must take in empty stomach only. In the morning it is very good. Then you might ask me how much to take. You must take only 1 tablespoon with the 2 cloves of garlic. Okay, and in case you might ask me, can I take twice a day? Yes, you can. You can take twice a day. in empty stomach only. Morning once you take, afternoon or in the evening if you want, that time also your stomach should be empty. Okay, then you might ask me, diabetic people, that you must discuss with your doctor. Okay, so that's the thing. And you might ask how long I can take. So that is left to you. You can take as long as you can. It will be very healthy one. And honey is of course it itself is a preservative. So the thing is, you need not to keep it in the refrigerator. Honey you must not refrigerate. It should be always outside. So this is the thing in honey, and it is very tasty, very healthy. When your stomach is empty, just take 1 tablespoon, that is 2 garlic and 1 tablespoon of honey in the morning, or when your stomach is empty, you just take this and enjoy this honey garlic. You can make at home very easily, very tasty. Very crunchy, and there is the garlic will not give you any spice thing unless and until it is nicely soaked. So you please try at home. Keep your health very nicely. All the best for you. So please try, everybody at home, and let me know your feedback, how you like this honey garlic. I'll come in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and of course thumbs up and bell button, ting tong. Till then, bye bye.